beautiful people. It's a quiet evening in the Dominican Republic here at MOSHA'S Reggae Lounge. And I have, at 4 o'clock this afternoon, I have a crew of people that came. I was about to make a call, I was busy, and I look at their faces, they look very, very hungry. I said, you know what? I'm gonna give them a nice little surprise. And here they are, they're enjoying the food. I just wanna ask them where they're from and they can tell you their name and how they're liking the food. What's your name, brother?
William.
William. How is it, William?
Very good. Very, very good.
I told them they have to eat oxtail and jerk chicken with the finger, and look at the fingers. You see the fingers? Everything is in the finger. Look at that. You see? And your name, my brother?
My name is Miles.
How is it, Miles?
Great.
And where are you guys from, by the way?
We're all from Oregon.
From Oregon, in California. And you, ma'am?
I'm Marissa.
Marissa.
Yep. And it's delicious.
There you go. And you?
We love food. Xana.
Xana.
So good.
You don't get this in California, right?
No, no, no.
I said, look at the tray. Look, they're still working at it. So they are from California. We want to welcome them to the Dominican Republic and to MOSHA'S Reggae Lounge, and have a good time, guys. And this is how we do it. We get the flavor while the people are eating the food, so they know we are real here. And remember, folks, I stress this: if you don't have time to wait, we don't have time to cook. So call us up and let us know what you want, and when you come, you won't have to wait. But they didn't wait so long. It wasn't that bad because there was nobody else here. Yeah, and they're enjoying the beautiful view here in the Dominican Republic. It's gonna be a busy weekend. Guys, thank you, enjoy.
Thanks for having us.
All right. Folks, peace out. Mosha from MOSHA'S Reggae Lounge. One more time, this is how we do it up in the house.